Guess what, guys? I got a new pillow. So this pillow is gonna replace my existing pillow, which is kind of like this bamboo pillow. It's like a big old giant bamboo pillow. Let me take a look, show you guys. It's pretty much that looking, but this is one of those new pillows that I saw and I wanted to try out. It's a breathable, ergonomic pillow that's good for sleeping on your back, your sides, and the front, I guess. So we're gonna do a little unboxing of it and get right to opening it and seeing how it looks. Okay, here's the pillow unboxed, and let me zoom out. So it's kind of got this weird shape. You see, like, kind of like a rectangle, but it has these little points on each end. So it's able to, you know, hold it onto the side or rotate your head, so your head lays flat right in this little mesh center. It's a memory foam pillow versus my bamboo pillow has all these little squares of little chopped up memory foam that's stuck really tightly into it, but it doesn't feel good over time. I feel like I have trouble sleeping, so I decided to try this new pillow out to see if it works. And in terms of this type of design, you can't really wash it, so make sure you put a sheet over it. So it looks like that. So, and it's pretty softer. It's like less foam in the middle, but it's built for your head to be placed there. I have another type of pillow as well. That's like a donut pillow, where like the middle right here is indented in, and the other part is kind of harder on the outside. But this is comparable to it. So I'll show you. Look at that. So here is I took out the sheets. So here's the donut pillow, kind of, where you put your head there, and this is the softer side, so where your neck will go, and that's basically that type of pillow. But I didn't like this as much, so we'll try this one. Hopefully update you guys in another video, but heard some good things about this pillow, and we'll let it kind of, like, you know, over time to see it. But it's soft right here, and it's kind of squishy around the sides and edges. And that's it for this little video. See you guys in the next video. Make sure to subscribe to the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Got to test this pillow last night, and it's actually quite comfortable. Didn't get a headache from waking up. And if you look in the center right here, if you put it up to the light, there's actually a hole right down in the center for your head, for your support. So when you flip this pillow over, I found out that you can actually zip it and take this off to wash, put in the washer as well. And you can see there's like a hole right here that provides that support for your head right in the center. So there's a little cutout. So yeah, and of course I test out the foam. It's quite nice and squeezes and it goes back to normal pretty quickly. And that's it for this little review. Loving it so far. Check out this memory pillow.